Sad, 2 die in head-on collision along Bulawayo, Plumtree Road. The 11th of August 2025, 2 people died and 2 others were seriously injured in the early hours of Monday after a Botswana-registered fuel tanker and a Honda Fit collided head-on along the Bulawayo, Plumtree Road. The crash happened around 2 a.m. on a bridge near the Mngagwa turnoff. Bulawayo Fire Officer Mr. Mnangagwa Moyo confirmed the tragedy, explaining that the Honda Fit, carrying 3 occupants, veered into the path of the oncoming tanker. The Honda Fit crew was trapped inside the wreckage and had to be extricated by our team. 2 died on the spot, while 1 suffered serious injuries and was rushed to Mpilo Central Hospital, said Mr. Moyo. The tanker, which had just passed a police roadblock, swerved off the road after the collision. The driver and his passenger leapt from the moving vehicle moments before it caught fire. Both were taken to Mpilo Central Hospital for treatment. Mr. Moyo said the truck had been transporting about 400 liters of diesel, most of which spilled onto the road. The Bulawayo City Council Fire Department managed to contain 95% of the spillage by 9 a.m. using fire-cum foam liquid concentrate. The operation involved 2 fire brigade vehicles, 1 police officer, 12 fire department officials, and an environmental management agency EMA representative, he stated. He added that salt used during the cleanup remained at the scene as authorities await authorization from the truck's owner, who is traveling from Francistown, Botswana,